Hey there, it's Brysen from Bold. In this video, I'll be going over the most common subscription offers that can be created in Bold subscriptions and how to set up each of these subscription offers. One of the most common subscription offers are standard offers. These offer types allow customers to select between a variety of subscription options that renew on the same day of the month or week that the first order was purchased on. To set up a standard subscription offer, proceed into the Bold Subscriptions admin. From the Bold Subscriptions admin, click Subscription Groups and then click Create Subscription Group. First, enter a name for the subscription group. Next, select the products you would like added to the subscription group. Next, under subscription frequency, this is where you create your subscription options. For my example, I'm going to show you how to create a subscription offer that renews either every 1 month, every 2 months, and every 3 months based on the initial purchase date of the customer. The first offer is already set for us, so all that is required is to enter a name for the frequency that you would like to use on the product page. In my example, I'm going to use every 1 month. Click Save Frequency to save your first offer. Next, click on Add New Frequency. For this offer, I'm going to create every 2 months. Change the numerical value from 1 to 2, enter a name for the subscription offer, then click Save Frequency. Repeat the same steps as before and change the numerical value from 1 to 3. If you would like to offer a recurring discount, click the toggle in the last section on this page and enter a recurring discount you would like to offer for all of the subscription offers. Click Save Change at the bottom of the page. Once you have activated the subscription group, the standard offer should look similar to my example. Another common subscription offer is prepaid. Prepaid subscriptions allow customers to pay for a set number of orders upfront. Not only do prepaid subscriptions provide predictable revenue for your store, customers are also provided the convenience of paying one time while still receiving their orders on a recurring basis. Many customers prefer to prepay instead of paying per order, as prepaying for orders upfront provides a simplified experience and allows customers to take advantage of increased discounts. From within the Bold Subscriptions admin, click Subscription Groups, then click Create Subscription Group. Enter a title for the subscription group. Click Select Products and choose the products you would like to be purchasable as a prepaid subscription. Next, under Subscription Frequency, enter the frequencies that you would like available for customers to choose from for this subscription group. In my example, I'm going to use every 1 month. Next, under Prepaid Subscriptions, click the toggle next to Allow Customers to Prepay for this subscription. Enabling this option allows you to set the number of orders that your customers can prepay for, along with an optional discount, either by percentage or an amount off the unit price to help incentivize the prepaid options. In my example, I'm going to allow customers to prepay for 3 orders at 10% off. Using the Add Prepaid Length button, you can add additional prepay options to allow more prepay options to be available. I'm going to use this button to add 2 more prepaid options of 5 orders at 30% off and 7 orders at 45% off. After you have created your prepay options, there are a few choices that can be enabled. The first setting allows you to only offer the subscription as a prepaid subscription if the checkbox is enabled. The second option allows you to extend the prepaid subscription once the initial prepaid duration has been completed. If this setting is enabled, you can allow prepaid subscriptions to renew for the same length of time that was selected during the initial purchase, or convert the prepaid subscription to pay-as-you-go subscription. Select whichever option works best for your store. If this option is not enabled, the prepaid subscription will expire after the orders have been fulfilled. Lastly, under Additional Settings, you can set an optional recurring discount for non-prepaid subscription purchases. If you would like to apply a recurring discount, click the toggle in this section and enter a recurring discount amount. Any discounts that are applied are only applicable for pay-as-you-go subscriptions. Prepaid subscriptions will not receive discounts set in this section. Click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. Once you have activated the subscription group, the prepaid offer should look similar to my example. The last common subscription offer is a standard subscription with a fixed order date. This offer allows you to choose a day of the month or a weekday to renew all subscription orders, allowing you to fulfill all subscriptions at the same time. I'm going to show you how to create an offer that contains a monthly offer that renews every first of the month and a weekly frequency that renews on Mondays. In the Bolt Subscriptions admin, click Subscription Groups on the menu navigation. On this page, click Create Subscription Group. In the subscription information section under Group Name, enter a name for the subscription group. Next, select the product you would like added to this subscription group. To create a frequency that renews every month on the first, set the order is created every to 1 and month. Next, click the blue text underneath these values and select on specific day of the month. Selecting this option brings up a couple of more configurable options. The first option allows you to select which day of the month you want all recurring orders to renew on. For my example, I'm going to choose 1. The next configuration option is a checkbox that allows you to enable cutoff days. Cutoff days are used with fixed subscription frequencies to set a minimum amount of time that must pass between your customer's first and second order. This prevents a subscriber's initial and second order from occurring too close together. For my example, if a customer's initial purchase is on the 30th or 31st, you would not want their second order to generate on the 1st. If the second scheduled order fails within the number of cutoff days you specified, the second order will be skipped. Generally, we recommend setting a minimum value of 15 for monthly fixed subscription frequencies, but you may want more or less time depending on your shipping schedule. You can also specify a time of the day that you want the cutoff date to apply to. The time used is based on your store's local time zone. Next, enter a name for the subscription frequency. For my example, I'm going to use every month on the 1st. Once you've entered a name for the frequency, click Save Frequency. To create a frequency that renews every week on Monday, set the order is created every to 1 and week. Next, click the blue text underneath these values and select on specific day of the week. In the drop-down option, ensure that Monday is selected. If you need to apply a cutoff day, click the checkbox next to Use Cutoff Days and enter a cutoff day that works best for you. Next, enter in a name for the subscription frequency. For my example, I'm going to use every week on Monday. Once you have entered a name for the frequency, click Save Frequency. In the last section, you can set an optional recurring discount to help incentivize your subscription offering. If you would like to add a recurring discount, enable the toggle, choose either percent off or amount off, and enter a value for your recurring discount. Click Save Changes at the bottom of the page to save your subscription group. Once you have activated the subscription group, the fixed offer should look similar to my example. For more information on Bolt subscriptions, please visit our help center at support.boltcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.